your kitchen cupboards is another win. A lot of buyers will walk in and potentially the first or second thing they see is the kitchen. Now, for a really cost-effective way to refresh your whole cupboard space is to first of all have a look at the quality of your cupboards and your cupboard doors. If the bones and the skeleton of your cupboards are still in really good nick, all you need to do is sand it back and paint over it. Again, the products that we have that's really good for it would be White Knight products. They're specific for cupboards and to give everything a nice glossy finish, and it lasts for a long time. Ensure that you prepare and you follow the instructions down to a T so that you don't end up with paint that peels off your cupboard doors. Choosing the right color is also very important. We'll talk about different color schemes in another section in another video. And then you may ask, what door handle should I choose? Chrome handles are modern. It actually looks really nice and refreshed if you just change them. If you've got tiles for kitchen splashback, what happens after a couple of years is that your grouting might turn dark black or a little bit moldy. So redoing the grouting or cleaning it and giving it a nice fresh look is a great instant tip. The other option that you have is to paint your tile splashback. If you've got all date features or pictures that does not go with the new fresh look in your kitchen. Painting it with the right products are essential to ensure that your splashback will last for a long time and you don't have to worry about peeling and chipping. White Knight products are fantastic for your kitchen splashbacks as well, and picking a paint in the color that blends with your kitchen as well as in a gloss just gives that fresh glossy look and feel. Thanks so much for watching this video. Remember, if you liked it, press thumbs up and subscribe to get more videos like this. See you next time for more fantastic home improvement tips. Bye.